need to use some special salt. Let's just use half a teaspoon of it. One and a half cups of rice.
Nice.
So I'm going to make egg rice, and you can either put milk in. We use almond milk because we can't have dairy, or you can just put water in. I'm just going to use 2 dollops of almond milk. 1, 2, and sprinkling of black pepper, and sprinkling of salt. Just keep stirring. Just a little bit of olive oil. Now you have to swish it around and make sure that it covers the bottom of the pan. Leek from the garden. Just keep stirring. You can leave it for a couple of minutes. Adding in the mixed veg.